No more wait for poor people. No more wait for poor people.
Okay, happy new year, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Walter, and like I said, or like I've been saying in my previous video, this channel is where I document my activities in the market and how I document basically everything I'm doing in the market. And at the moment right now, in this video, what I want to talking about is, first of all, happy new year, guys. Yes, happy new year. How would I forget? Welcome to 2026. I don't know why I'm rushing right now, but I think I'm super excited to make this video, one. And then secondly, I'm happy that yes, we are in this year, because I've had a lot of plans for this year actually. And this year, don't worry, I'm going to update you guys. Please subscribe to the channel, click the link below, and subscribe, like, also share this video per se, because there's a lot of things that I've actually planned for this year, and I'm going to be documenting them right here on this channel. Okay, so first of all, in this video, what I want to be talking about basically is how I am able to hold my trade for weeks and even days. Yes, there's this trade I just closed up recently, although I'm in another one right now, but I closed this trade up recently, and I think I was able to hold that trade for over 5 days. Yes, and for many people, that's not an easy task per se, because you see, opening trade, first of all, so people just like in and out, but I don't like being in and out of a trade. Yes, I don't like that thing. So I would rather hold my trade for days and allow them just play out. I usually have a big stop loss too of around 100 pips. Yes, so I would just allow them play out, and I buy, mind you, I trade just only USDJPY. So while I'm holding my trades for that long, yeah, I am just very patient, very still, and for many people that's a big tax. I feel like the idea of jumping in and out of trades opens you to more risks. Yes, opens you to more risks. And another thing also is that when you get into the trade, normally you're just giving the market, like, you're not giving the market that room to just breathe, to get. So I feel like I just want to ride the overall trend of the market. So I am more comfortable allowing my trades to stay and run for days. So without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight to like the charts and really look at that trade. Okay, so as you guys know, I trade just only USDJPY right now, and let's see. Yes. Okay, so as you guys know, yeah, I trade just only USDJPY, by the way, and let's see, this right here is the trade I'm talking about, this particular one. Yes, this is the trade. So this was when I entered the trade right here. I entered at 23rd of December. By the way, first of all, this is why I am able to like hold my trade for the longest time. The reason why I'm able to hold my trade for the longest time is simply because of the fact that I trade on a higher time frame. Yes, so I don't go below 4 hours. Most times I just go to these 2 hours to just see, but I don't go below 4 hours, by the way. And at first I look at the monthly most times, but it's just to just look. I don't make any decisions based on the monthly. I make my decisions based on the weekly, that is 1 week candle, and the 4 hour candles, the 4 hour. So when I go straight to the weekly, yeah, I'm looking at the current price action, how price is currently reacting. And if you guys notice, like, price is currently bullish at the moment, so I'm expecting just higher prices, by the way. So from this week, this was where I got my direction from all my buyers per se. So from this week here, I noticed this big bullish candle. However, it has failed to take out this high, so I'm just saying that okay, maybe this high is a very, very strong resistance point right now that price is struggling to take out. I noticed that, so I was hoping that okay, this new week now, price is just going to push up and take it out. So when I went to my 4 hour to look at it, When I went to my 4 hour to look at it, this is that high right here. When I went to my 4 hour to look at it, I saw that, okay, this was where price closed the new week that I failed to take it out. So when this pullback here occurred, I was like, okay, let me buy again to take out the high. But it didn't work out. I took my 100 pip stop loss. Like I told you guys, I use a 100 pip fixed stop loss. So I took my 100 pip stop loss and then I tried again right here to push it up. So when I tried the second time, I entered on this candle after this candle closed. So after this big push up, this second candle tried going up but pull back. That was when I entered. I had my 100 pip stop loss fixed below this low right here. So price continued going up. Now from when I entered there, it came straight down. I was like, okay, I've lost this one again. But it didn't take me out, luckily for me. He pulled back, went up. Mind you, I didn't exit here. He pulled back, went up. I'm going to drop a screenshot of that the trade, by the way. He pulled back, got to this point here, came back down, and then finally went up. Now I use a trailing stop loss, and I only activate that trailing stop loss when I have gone, like I have seen a series of candles in profit. That's when I activate that trailing stop loss. Let's look for a trade that I won and see. Like, look at this trade now. It's in there were a series of candles above my entry before I finally activated my trailing stop loss and exited here. Look at this trade also. Series of trade. Then as the when price is beginning to like go back against me, that's when I go out. Then look at this one right here too. A series of, what do they call it? A series of like candles in my favor. Then when the market is about to go against me, like I'm now seeing a series of candles against me, that's when I go out. So that's the same thing that happened right here. That's the same thing that happened right here. So I was not able to activate my trailing stop here because I don't put my trailing stop below my entry. No matter what happens, I never put my trailing stop below my entry. So it's when I have a series of candles in my favor, that's when I adjust my trailing stop above my entry. So that's what I did right here. When I finally had this series of candles, so I started trailing. Although I was supposed to go out here way higher up here, but I wasn't paying attention. And at the moment, I think that was 25th, yes. So market was closed, yes. Look at it, December 25th. Look at it down here, December 25th. Market was closed that period, so I didn't really pay attention to it again. And before market could open, it had already taken me out. That's the thing I was telling you, that going in and out of trade, you stand a chance of facing these slippages like more frequently. You get, so yeah, there's going to be a lot of trading errors when you're going in and out consistently. Although there are ways to like minimize them. Yes, there are methods you could put in place to just minimize trading errors, but there's a thing such as trading error. You get, you have a strategy, you have a rules, you have everything placed, and then there are now personal human errors that you use, and those things affect your results in the market. So, so that was what happened, and then I exited here. So currently now, at the moment, I'm currently holding this position. This is my 100 pip stop. This is a kind of like a safe line, because I like joining a safe line where I'll just be like, okay, if price goes below there, then I know that two things will either happen. Either to go down and just take me out directly, or if it doesn't go down and take me out, it will just go down, go back, go down, maybe give another entry. But I don't like taking another entry when I'm already on a trade. I don't do that. So even if it gives another entry right here, I won't enter it. So I will just hold this trade for the longest time right now, and hope and believe that price gets to brings higher prices. Already I'm just trying to like catch the bullish trend, by the way. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.